Guys, I'm on the way to my other office. We're gonna go meet my sales team, my acquisition team. I call them my killers. Why do I call them my killers? Because they close up these sellers all day, all night. They're hungry. So these are some of my deadliest acquisitions in the nation. And they all have over $100,000 each in the pipeline. What we should do is bring some food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna text my brother and tell him to bring some food. You in the office?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're on our way right now. I'm gonna pick up some food for you guys. What do you want to eat?
They said pizza sound good.
All right, for sure. You gotta treat your employees good. Now, these are not my employees. These are my brothers. Because in life, God didn't create employees. God created all of us equally. One just has an opportunity to start a business. Because as a business owner, you have all the risk. And some people don't want that risk. It's good for them because, you know, I was in that position too. I didn't really want the risk. I was satisfied. I was good. I was making $100,000, chilling, right? First thing you have to do is work for somebody, learn, understand the concept, and then start doing your own thing. These guys are eventually gonna do their own thing, but right now they're working with me and I'm blessed for having them on my team. As a boss, my team eats before I eat. There's times I break even some months. It's part of business, but my team always eats. I'll give you an example. One month I made $30,000 and I spent $30,000. But good thing I have multiple streams of income, so other money, money comes in from other places. Remember guys, when you guys make enough money, diversify your income. I was born to hustle. I'm gonna hustle till the day I die. Till I'm 6 feet under the ground, we're gonna hustle. Guys, I just got done with week 2 of my mentorship where we go over implementation, where we implement the same systems and process that I use for my own business. You know, I just got done with that call. Now it's time to go to my other office and take care and say what's up to my sales team and see what they have locked up. Let's go. So man, this is my sales team. We got Mehdi, we got Raphael, we got Avante. You know, this is what we do, non-negotiables. For 2024, we're trying to do $5 million gross, just this year alone. 3 contracts signed every single week. And then what we do, we give away incentives for our team so they work harder. Quarter 1, we give away a MacBook. Quarter 2, we give away the newest iPhone 15. Quarter 3, you know you can't go wrong with the Cartier shades, right? Week 4, give away a Rolex. Cartier and Rolex, I would give my team the same thing that I rock myself, right? So that's what we're doing. End of 2024, we do that. Guys, who's hitting the gong, man? Who got contracts? I know you got a lot of contracts. Come on, who's hitting some gong? Guys, I haven't been here in a few weeks because I was so busy, but now I'm here. Team's working every day. We're going to have them hit the gong because they locked up dozens of deals. So stay tuned. Guys, I don't even do this, but I'm doing it because I actually locked up a deal myself on Morgan. So we're going to hit the gong for that.
Hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Ayy, hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Yeah, I'm getting stupid amounts. Ayy, so much that I'm losing accounts. Ayy, I'm a young boss in my state, yeah, so I gotta stay in my town. Ayy.
Hey, Edgar.
Mike, how you doing, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. Yup, we signed the documents.
Perfect. So I just kind of wanted to see if you could give us any type of feedback regarding everything that, you know, we've done here throughout the transaction.
No, Mike, no, you did amazing, and I couldn't have asked for anybody better to work with. You did exactly what you said you were going to do, and I'll definitely be referring you to anybody else in the investment industry.
Perfect. Well, hey, Edgar, I'm going to get going right now. I truly appreciate you again. Thank you for working with us, and I look forward to hearing from you in the near future.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem. Take care.
Good night.
Yes, it was a straight ovation deal. At first, he was skeptical. This guy, he owns about 15 properties. He's an investor himself. He could have put it on the MLS himself, you know? Pitched him the service. He was like, you know what? I'm going to go with you. You know, you're very transparent. I never heard of a service like this. We got it done, so that's the good thing.
That's what it comes down to, right? Helping out the seller. This is not a real estate company, it's a sales and marketing company. What we do this to help the homeowner move out and do bigger and better things. So guys, if you guys want to learn how to wholesale real estate, make sure you go to eliteflippers.com or just DM me at iHustleBro, and my team is gonna have a conversation with you to help you guys out. All right, let's go. You come in the room, check out the new office. Come on, let's check out the new office. Check this out. Yo, check this out. This whole thing.
This is it, bro.
Mandy, this is it.
Oh yeah, this is it, bro.
Mandy, this is it.
I already see it, bro. I already see it.
What you think? You like this? Is
Fire.
smooth, huh?
See you on the next event, bro. I'm gonna have to buy it, bro. I'm gonna have to buy it, bro.
You're a few deals, bro. You're a few deals away, bro. That's what's up, though, man. Easy, light. Yeah, come on. I'll be at it. Come on.
Hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Ayy, hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much.